It is I, Belinda. I've stood on the sidelines too long, watching that pudding-head Eggman and my inept husband fail time and time again. Now Mama B wants a piece of the action. And don't think I forgot about you. Must you always be so snarky?
I should be more like you. A maniac in a mech suit firing lasers at everyone.
What's the big idea? He didn't do nothing!
Actually, he didn't do anything.
I know I can't be the only one who's sick of him. And you! I just don't like the look of you.
You get one phone call. Make it a good one.
Amy, no time to explain. Tails, Knuckles, and I are in jail. We need you to bail us out.
Sonic, I am really not in the mood for your practical jokes right now. Sticks and I got our hands full. We'll talk later.
Looks like you boys just won an overnight stay at the Gray Bar Hotel.
Oh, good. I thought we were gonna spend the night in jail.